It's Sunday, the 22nd of March. As you can see, all overcast and cloudy. We did have some rain last night, but that's not stopping us. Probably the single biggest project with our camp setup is the erection of the Bedouin tent. This is our main area, dining area, and we are in the process of busy putting it up. We've got the four corners already done, and once that's done, we can start putting the center up and tensioning it and stretching the tent. The river's still flowing a little bit, although it has come down quite dramatically, which is great. But I will show you once it's up and ready. There's the first center pole going in. Coming in shape very nicely. Okay, and here we are with the final product. The Bedouin tent has been erected, it's up. Just finishing with the last little bits and pieces. Managed to get our tree in again this year. I think we might have trouble next year. He's touching the top of the roof. But he's here and we are building around him. Obviously is the access from the Bedouin area down into the riverbed. And then the main dining area, reception, curio shop, leading across to tents number 1 to 12 across that way.